Hey, summer is not for being sad, but Redhead can't be happy with life. She dreams about a sea goddess look. She wants to be a mermaid, but she's wearing regular shorts. Not a problem! Unicorn knows a great fashion designer who can make the most magical clothes. Here, take Edna Modi's card. Edna is already here. As always, she takes this task on. It's time for a mermaid transformation. This is the perfect background for a mermaid. Where is our model? Redhead explains her perfect mermaid outfit with great detail, but Edna Modi is a queen of fairy tale fashion. She was the one to design Cinderella's wedding dress and Rapunzel's hairstyle, so there is not a lot you need to tell her. Edna has already made a sea queen crown. Coat seashells with white acrylic paint and cover them with different ocean colors on top. Decorate starfish and coral the same way, and add some shine with gold paint and glitter. Attach the details to a headband. Shape them into a crown. Decorate it with fake pearls, pearl stones, and rhinestones too. Wow! This crown looks amazing on Redhead, as though she was born and raised with mermaids and dolphins. But that's not all yet. The sea fashion designer guides her further. Oops! Redhead is a bit clumsy. Oh wait! This is not Redhead anymore, it's Princess Ariel. Take an appropriately shaped bra. Cover it with stretchy purple fabric and sew it to the inside. Attach hook fasteners. Pull the center of the bra together with thread. Decorate it with a painted seashell. Hot glue fake pearls. Attach sequins to the edges, and then decorate it with stones and rhinestones of matching shades and hot glue strings of sequins. Any girl can become a sea goddess with this bra. This style and color look good on Redhead. It won't take long before she learns how to breathe underwater, but the biggest transformation is still ahead. The most fashionable sea style creation is a tail, of course. Draw a cutout of a mermaid tail on cardboard. Trace according to your measurements. Cut it out. Trace the cutout on glittering fabric of an appropriate shade. Cut it out, leaving allowances for sewing. We will need 2 identical pieces. Cut out a tail fin the same way. Attach a layer of foam rubber sheet inside so that it is thicker. Sew all the pieces together. Decorate the bottom of the tail with decorative netting. Attach it to the bottom part of the tail using hot glue. Decorate it with painted seashells. We inserted elastic at the top of the tail. Gather it in the center so that it is shaped correctly. Sew the fins to the sides. Redhead is happy! Now she is a real mermaid! Edna Modi did a great job. The only thing left to do is wait for Prince Charming to come and take her off the cliff. Because it's too difficult for her to move on the shore by herself with this tail. But the sacrifice is worth it to feel like a sea princess. Redhead wakes up in her comfy bed. But there isn't any sea, shells, or scales around. It was only a dream, but it inspired her for a new look. Hurry to the mirror. Redhead does her makeup, and any mermaid will be jealous of her style. Paint a fishtail in the corner of your eye using sea foam colored face paint. Mix it with white and cover the middle of the tail with light turquoise. Mix blue and lilac eyeshadow on a brush. Apply it to the upper and the lower lid. Define the inner corner with pale turquoise. Cover your lid with a white base and apply turquoise eyeshadow. Define your eyebrow with orange. My makeup is done. This mermaid looks into the mirror and sees Unicorn and Edna. Maybe it wasn't a dream after all. Edna is happy with how Redhead's look turned out. Now she's just missing a suitable top. Print an image of 2 seashells about 3.5 inches wide and cut them out. Trace them with black acrylic paint on an old t-shirt. Put a board inside the t-shirt beforehand so that you don't stain the back. Draw lines and details inside the seashells. Add shine on the seashells with white acrylic paint. Add shading at the bottom with gold paint. Print a template of a round seashell for the back of the t-shirt. Cut out the inside details of the template with a modeling knife. Put it onto the back and trace it with a fabric marker. Cut it out carefully. Now the mermaid look is complete. The seashell at the back shows how much I love the sea. All that's left to do is to go to the beach. Did you like our fashion transformations? Then write in the comments which one of Edna Modi's outfits you would like to try on. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new fashion ideas on Troom Troom.